I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this freebie haul. I'm going to start off with this box, which is a grow your own mushroom kit. I've already placed the packet in the fridge. I'm going to be doing a time lapse of this kit. Going to be doing a time lapse of this kit and then uploading it within a month. So this is the straw that it comes with, the ties and other things. Up next these sanitary towels. Up next these body form sanitary towels, which I've already ripped out the vouchers. A NARS mascara. I can't remember if this was for Send Me a Sample or Sopost. So this is what it looks like. This was free from launch pilot to test this pack of tissue. A pack of incense. This is what it looks like. From curtains and blinds for homes, some fabric samples. So this is what it looks like. Some blind samples. A perfume sample. A clear pencil case. This was a competition win. It's Chelsea. This is from Darlings of Chelsea. Please do excuse my butchering of the names. Some fabric samples. From Rug Couture, these rug fiber bits. From My Clown's Healthy Skin Starch Shoe. I can't remember if this was from on the actual site or a freebie site, which I'll be linking in the description box to some of the websites. So these are the powder of exfoliating powder. Painted wood samples. So with the Dollar House paint sample. It's a quite thick sample. It's a quite thick, decent sample of the paints. You've got this Chanel Rouge. You've got this Rouge Chanel Coco Chanel lip colour sample. Got this from Superdrug through Top Cashback through the new welcome sign up offer. Going to be adding links in the description box to some of the websites I've used. And you can also have sign up links, things. Soft menstrual cup thing.